Hello and welcome to Cinegears product tutorial. Today we are featuring the 800 Pro Plus video transmission kit. Before turning on the device, connect the antennas included with the kit. It supports HDMI and SDI video input. It also features SDI loop out and cross conversion. Now the device is ready to be turned on. Attach the battery to the back of the transmitter. Turn on the device with the on-off switch on the side. To adjust the channel, push the CH button to scroll through the different channels. And then push the OK button to confirm. Now let's move on to the receiver. The 800 Pro Plus have a sandwich design. It has V-mount on both sides. The receiver setup is very similar to the transmitter. First connect all the antenna, followed by the video output cable. Just like the transmitter, it also supports SDI and HDMI. Once the battery is plugged in, turn on the receiver and select the same channel as the transmitter. You should have image on your monitor now. That sums up the basic operation of the Ghost-Eye 800 Pro Plus. Here's a few unique special features of the Ghost-Eye 800M Pro Plus. By holding down the mode button on the receiver, you can choose between the high and low gain mode. The low gain mode is used for small indoor space while the high gain mode is used for long range outdoor application. As using high gain mode in small space may result signal dead zone. To activate the intercom function, hold down the mode button on the transmitter for 3 seconds. Then plug in the headphone and microphone jack on both the transmitter and receiver. To pair the device, locate the 2 small hole on the unit, use 2 small pin to press down for 3 seconds. When the display on the receiver shows linked, the pairing is all done. For more information please visit Cinegears.com.